Have you ever had to replace a battery because you thought it was dead? Well, the NOCO Genius 5 doesn't think all batteries are dead. As a matter of fact, it can charge dead batteries that are as low as 1 volt. Simply plug it to your terminal and it will detect if your battery needs reconditioning, desulfation, and, like we mentioned before, actually charge and force charge that battery. I'll give you the perfect example of how you could potentially use it. You go on vacation, you come back, car hasn't been running for a little bit, and the battery is dead. Most of us would just jump it with another car and go on our way. That can cause problems to your battery. Some of you might actually just find that your battery is dead. The NOCO Genius 5 will take care of all of those problems. Another really cool thing about it, it has thermal sensors. So if your battery is running hot because of the temperature, it will actually adjust itself so it doesn't cause any more damage. This thing will do 12-volt wet cell, gel, AGM, lithium, and 6-volt batteries as well. The box also includes mounting brackets and straps just so you can install it in your shed or garage for easy access. The Genius 5 by NOCO is truly the only battery saver you'll ever need.